because we are intelligent nurses. We deal with lives. Our no might save a life and our yes might save a life. So when we need to say yes, we say yes. When we need to say no, we give the no. Remember that song we sing in our primary school old days? I don't know, some of you that went to the kind of school I went to, the Jack on Day schools, where we say, wherever you go, 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 wherever you be, Sisi, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be. Hi guys, welcome back to Nothing with Eunice. Today we'll be talking about intelligence. What are the qualities we see in an intelligent individual? As nurses, we are intelligent people. Immaculate nurses, professionals. Oh, kudos to all the nurses in the building. Hey, my people, my people. All right, however intelligent we are, we want to improve our intelligence. And whatever qualities we don't have in these top 10 qualities we are going to be talking about today, we want to see how we can improve in it. So, number one, an intelligent person has insatiable curiosity. An intelligent person wants to know more. They are not satisfied with what they already know. They don't believe that there is an end to knowledge. They believe that they should continue to learn. However much they know, they should continue to learn. Right, let's move on to point number two. An intelligent nurse, an intelligent individual is open-minded. They're open to new ideas. They're open to new opportunities. They are not stereotyped like, oh, this is how it has been done. This is how we always do it. It has to be that way. No way. There is no other way out. No, an intelligent individual is open-minded to new ideas. So when you suggest something to an intelligent person, they will listen and they will filter, they will analyze, and then they'll come to an informed conclusion. Point number three, an intelligent person sometimes can be silent. What they do when they are silent, they tend to like process information. They don't really have time to engage in small talk. They are self-involved. They don't have time for small talks. They don't have time for too much of a gossip, like backbiting, They believe it's a waste of time. They rather invest that time in their productivity. They rather invest their time in their way forward, because intelligent people have so many thoughts, so many things they're processing up there. So they just believe wasting time talking about what they feel about someone or what they do or what they don't do, it's really a waste of time. So they just stay focused. That is point number three. Point number four, they have high adaptability. An intelligent person is highly adaptable in that we know that life is not always going to be easy. We know that there will be ups and downs in life. There will be times where you just don't feel like going for that shift. There will be times where you will just be in that shift and you are so tired. You just feel like calling it quits. An intelligent person will really super analyze. An intelligent person will tell him or herself, the shift is not always like this. Yes, it is true. It's not palatable. It's not nice what I'm experiencing right now, but it will not always be like this. Today is just that day that is not too good. Tomorrow may be better, or tomorrow will be better. They've got that positivity in them. That is how an intelligent nurse, an intelligent individual thinks. Now, point number five, an intelligent individual has strong self-control. Life will throw so many things at them all at the same time. Imagine someone who is maybe a parent, has a full-time job, has other obligations with friends, other obligations with employers, have other obligations with his or her private businesses, and then still have to function at this level. Oh my God. You've got to have that strong self-control to be able not to like spark it out. An intelligent person keeps it cool to the end. So are you an intelligent nurse? Are you an intelligent individual? We are now on point number five. Which one of these points resonates with you? Let's move on. Point number six, ability to acknowledge. And an intelligent individual have the ability to acknowledge. They can acknowledge their faults and they are always very honest. An intelligent person, if you talk to an intelligent person and say, this is what you have done, I'm not comfortable with it, and that person will listen and they'll be like, oh, really, I did that. Oh, I didn't. I'm sorry. Intelligent person will apologize. An intelligent person will not cover over his or her fault or try to prove self-righteous. An intelligent person will acknowledge his or her fault. And this is an admirable trait in intelligent people, because they tend to they're able to move on with people. They're able to carry on with life. Why? Because they are not perfect. They don't try to be perfect. They acknowledge their errors, and that is really something to admire in them. Intelligent people, point number 6, have high creativity. They are never enough. They want to know this, they want to know that. They have good creativity skill. They want to do this. For instance, okay, you're already a nurse, you know how to make hair, you know how to like sew clothes. An intelligent person still wants to know, I want to knit a coat for my cat. I have to learn how to knit. And then they go on the internet, they want to do multiple things. Oh, I need to learn how to use this, I need to learn how to play the piano. An intelligent person never stop, because they don't believe there's an end to knowledge. And that, because there's this saying that says, when you stop learning, you start dying. So intelligent people, do I say they live long? We need to do that research because they don't stop learning. They just go on and on and on and on. Kudos to intelligent people. Intelligent nurses, are you guys there? Sit down. Let's talk this thing finish. All right. The next point, they have strong self-identity. Point number 8. They know what they like. They know what they don't like. They are able to discuss their strengths and weaknesses, because some people that they just, when you're in conversation with them, they only talk about their strengths, they talk about their achievements, they rarely talk about their failures. Intelligent people will talk about their failures. Intelligent people will talk about their strengths. Intelligent will talk about everything, because they are an individual. They've got their vulnerable point, they've got their strong point, and that is a good thing. Talking about self-identity. And you cannot push an intelligent person. An intelligent person knows what he or she wants. Intelligent people say, no, you want me to do that? Oh, okay, I understand you want me to do that, but this is what I actually want to do. I'm not comfortable doing that. They would not mind that will hurt you. They would tell you exactly how they feel, because an intelligent person will have this self-love. They want to make sure that they satisfy themselves. At the same time, they don't like to hurt you, but if satisfying themselves, making themselves happy will hurt you, they would satisfy themselves. Intelligent people, they know what they want, and they don't allow themselves to be bullied. Point number 9, ability to maintain a variety of interests. I talked a little about that earlier. They can maintain a variety of interests, like they can do multiple tasks all at the same time. We've seen nurses who are tailors at the same time, who are fashion designers, who are very good at the computers and all of that. So intelligent people are able to brainstorm at things. They are able to study from past experiences, and they are able to plan their next move. They are not static. They don't just sit down and say, oh, this is my life. This is how my life have come to be. However, whatever decision they make, and they make mistakes, and they feel like, oh, I'm in a financial bankrupt, they don't stop. They kick off. They move on. They move on, they plan their next move, and they pick up their pieces together, and you see them soaring again. Intelligent people never give up. Intelligent people spend their social time with quality people. They don't just spend their time with, there are some people that are just, they are not quality friends. They just drag you back. They're just so toxic. They talk about negativity. Intelligent people don't associate themselves with such people. They associate themselves with strong people, strong personalities, people that are positive, people that have like minds with them, and they have strong points, strong goals. So attaching yourself with quality people will actually really help you to go very far to achieving your dream. Intelligent people recognize this, and they go ahead to achieve that. They are also intelligent people. One beautiful thing I like about intelligent people is this, and this will be our point number 9, is that intelligent people they have this fellow feeling. They care about what other people feel. They care about other people's emotion, and they don't. They are not irrational. They have empathy, and this is one of their strong points when it comes to emotional intelligence. They have empathy. They have care towards other people, and they are better able to deal with stress. Okay, and there is this quote that says, "Don't judge someone by what they know." Don't judge a person on what they know. Judge them on the questions they ask. Intelligent people ask very quality questions. Intelligent people don't stop asking questions, but when they ask question, check that question. It's a very intelligent one that gives insight. Remember, if you ask a question today and you are laughed at, that same person that laughed at you today will not laugh at you tomorrow, because you know the answer. And that answer is what will move you forward. So will you stop asking questions? No, we are intelligent. If we don't know, we ask questions. All right, we are going to now talk about the disadvantages of being an intelligent person. Intelligent people, the downside of being intelligent is this. They often tend to like, how do I put it? They tend to like think instead of feel. So when you're talking to an intelligent person, instead of the person to feel your emotions, the person is thinking rationally. Like, okay, what do you need? Okay, you need this. Okay, if I should do this for you, it's gonna rub on my time. And if I should do, they're like thinking. They're not putting themselves in your shoes to feel what you feel. They're like dealing with it intelligently, and that can be a downside because we are humans, right? So we should not just say that is the protocol. You are in the hospital and somebody is telling you that I need that medication, and you say, sorry, I can't give you this medication. Why? Because the law says, the protocol says you have to go to the pharmacy, sign it off, blah blah blah. You're taking intelligently. You're not looking at the situation, which they may be right. Yeah, they're right. They're following the policy. But this is the downside of intelligent people. You can't use your emotions to rub on them. They stick to the rules. Number 2, the downside of intelligent people. Intelligent people might not learn the value of hard work. Yes, this may be surprising, isn't it? Research that. Intelligent people frequently expect to be a top performer. Everybody look at them like, oh, he is highly intelligent. I expect him to perform at this level. I expect, if I should ask for his help, I'm sure he'll be able to help me. They believe intelligent people have all the answers, but the fact is they don't. Intelligent people get annoyed, and intelligent people may get annoyed that you keep correcting them in casual. People may get annoyed. Sorry, I mean to say people may get annoyed because intelligent people, when you're in conversation with them, just a casual discussion and they're correcting you. Oh my God, we're just joking. There you are correcting me. Come on. We are not writing an exam here. Come on. Can I just be myself? Can I just be myself? This is the downside of intelligent people. But let's not forget, being intelligent is something that we cannot negotiate. It is very good because the positive sides are far more than the negatives. Just to wrap up, imagine they are highly adaptable. They understand how much they know. They know that they don't have all the answers. They have insatiable curiosity. They want to learn. They want to read. They ask good questions. They are sensitive to other people's experiences. They are open-minded. They are skeptical. That is why when you propose a business proposal to an intelligent person, they will be initially skeptical. They'll analyze it thoroughly and see if it is something that fits their schedule, something that fits their lifestyle, their pattern, their goals. And then they'll either give you a yes, and they were never afraid to give you a no if they feel it's a no. So intelligent nurses, immaculate nurses, let us imbibe this trait. If we are in a particular situation and the answer to that question that someone is asking us at that time is a no, let's give it a no. And if it is a yes, let's not be afraid to say a yes. Why? Because we are intelligent nurses. We deal with lives. Our no might save a life, and our yes might save a life. So when we need to say yes, we say yes. And we need to say no, we give the no. Remember that song we sing in our primary school old days? I don't know, some of you that went to the kind of school I went to, the Jack on Day schools, where we say, wherever you go, go, wherever you be, Sisi, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Go. I remember my primary school. It's so fun-filled, really. The kids of these days, they are really missing. They missed out on those rough times we had, but those days. It's not long anyway. How old I am, I'm talking about those days. Those days is just how many years ago. Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, I hope this video encourage you to come on the intelligent board, improve your intelligence, and be the best nurse you can be, or the best individual you can be if you're not a nurse already. And like I say, I always encourage you to come into the health profession because we are saving life, we are serving humanity, and the profession really makes us happy. We are working, we are happy, we are still earning some cool cash. Look at that, and we are still able to take care of ourselves. Come on board. We need nurses, we need healthcare workers. And that reminds me, I need to shoot a video to appreciate the healthcare workers. Look out for it. If you want to watch that, subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified as soon as I upload the video on healthcare workers. Thank you. Bye-bye.